I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet.
When I met you those 917 days ago, I never would have imagined that I'd be standing here in front of you today, professing my love to the most beautiful woman ever. You were everything I want in this world and more. Real love isn't just euphoric, spontaneous feeling. It's a deliberate choice, a plan to love each other for good and for bad. And for this I vow to always support you, always love you, admire you, take care of you. When you're sick, listen to your worries, and attend to your needs. I vow to be the best husband possible and never give up on you. You don't love someone for their looks, their status, but you love them because they sing a song only you can hear.
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, we're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight.
Yeah, that hard. Yeah, baby, push it. How you feel? Yeah.
That's me. I'm in this TB. I'm in this 4 tray. I just pulled up me a A. Real all in my face. 500 racks in my safe. 500 racks to the plug. What you know about showing love? What you know about pulling up and building trust? Make fall in love. All of my gon' go. None of my no hope. All of my gon' smoke. All of my together. We came from the bottom. We used to wear each other. None of my gon' fold. Couple told. They ain't my no more. Hold it down for the fold. In the 9 with the woes. All of my they can get in charge with me. Hardly ever in the city. They just know I'm getting bigger. They just know a nigga busy. I been running up them digits. Yeah.
Sometimes I wonder what I did so right in this world to deserve the type of love that we share. A love that is patient, it is kind, and it is everlasting. You have accepted me as I am from day one, and you have encouraged me to be me. Because of you, I'm braver, stronger, and more excited about life than ever.
I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
By the power vested in me in the state of Texas, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Eric, you may kiss your bride.
Extra bright, I want y'all to see this. going all the way to time.
Want you to see everything, want you to see all of the lights.